Thanks to developing technology, roads are no longer just asphalt. In this video, we examine the technologies and engineering techniques used in modern road construction. This machine is like a walking factory on the construction site. It takes the concrete mixture, pushes it through special molds, and pours smooth, strong curbs in one go. The rolling barrier system is designed to increase road safety and minimize the number of accidents. It safely directs vehicles by converting collision energy into rotational motion. It absorbs the impact with EVA polymer barrels. Vehicle crash tests were conducted on 3 different vehicles, and rolling barrier met all criteria. Asphalt crack? Chip fill is here. Thermoplastic granules are laid on the surface, heated, and flow into the crack, creating a permanent filling. Waterproof, quick to apply, and open to traffic in minutes. This is modern road repair. With K31 APS, weak soils are no longer a problem, a reliable solution for every area, from rural roads to heavy-duty routes. This military-grade acrylic copolymer penetrates deeply into the soil, creating a strong and durable structure. No cement, lime, or complicated equipment required. Fast application, low cost, and environmentally friendly, provides 400 to 1800 psi strength with a 150mm thick application. GOMACO GP4 is a high-precision slip-form paver capable of paving concrete up to 12.2 meters wide. It has a smart telescopic frame and G+ control system. This provides superior performance in track and highway projects. Optimas paver machine collects paving stones not by hand, but with a vacuum system. Then it lays them on the ground with millimetric precision. It is very fast with its 400 square meter paving capacity per hour, joystick control, and rotating head. Light hoof panels stabilize gravel with their flexible cell structure. The 6 by 12 foot, 3-inch high cells are strong enough to support even heavy loads. They are easy to install, maintenance free, and have a durability of up to 70 years. Gorman Group's cold mix paving system applies emulsion and aggregate as a cold mix on site. No energy consumption, no fumes, and a reduced carbon footprint. Ideal for rural roads and low volume routes. Traffic doesn't even stop during application. CirculinQ is revolutionizing infrastructure with modular road panels made from recycled plastic. Its Lego-like design allows for quick installation. It has a lightweight structure and offers a rainwater storage capacity of 300 liters per square meter with the cavities in its internal structure. The ideal solution for environmentally friendly, durable, and sustainable roads. Reptail Gravel Spreader is the name of time-saving in road construction. It spreads gravel evenly and precisely with its hydraulic arms. It is 50% faster than traditional spreading and uses 20% less material. Gap Mastic is revolutionizing asphalt maintenance. The hot cast asphalt solution for large cracks, depressions, fatigue cracks, and small potholes. Provides waterproof, durable, and long-lasting repairs. With the Road Printer Eco, paving is now effortless. Operators place paving stones from the upper platform of the machine. The device places these paving stones and lays roads from 1 to 7 meters wide in one go. With Wave Delineator, bike paths are now safer and more aesthetic, easy to install with its lightweight and foldable structure, high night visibility with its reflective details, ideal height and stylish design for vehicle and bike users, perfect solution for temporary bike paths. With Warmly Yours, the hardships of winter are a thing of the past. Electric snow melting systems are integrated under asphalt, concrete, or paving stones. Thus, it clears roads, sidewalks, and ramps of snow and ice. It offers fast and effective results with 50 watts per square foot heating power. Smart sensors automatically activate the system by detecting humidity and temperature. Easy to install, low-cost maintenance, and environmentally friendly. Wattway is a revolutionary French innovation that transforms roads into energy-producing surfaces. Developed by Colas and Ines, this system works with thin photovoltaic panels glued onto existing asphalt. In 2016, the first 1-kilometer pilot road was opened in Tourouvre-Perche, France. The aim is to produce 280 megawatt hours of energy per year with 2,880 panels. Wattway panels stand out with their resistant, non-slip, and waterproof structure that is resistant to heavy traffic. In addition, the Wattway Pack solution can provide independent energy for infrastructures such as electric bike charging stations, security cameras, and smart bus stops. Wattway is building the future of sustainable transportation today. Meet Stoneyard's Aquafault solution. This water-activated cold asphalt patch hardens with just water, without the need for heat or heavy equipment. Easy to apply. Clean the hole, pour the mix, add water, and compact. Ready for traffic in 12 minutes. Provides a permanent and environmentally friendly repair to both asphalt and concrete surfaces.